Hi there. Hope you're doing well and preparing yourself for New Year celebrations. First of all, Happy New Year in advance, and I hope that 2021 be a better year for you and your family and everyone around you, with less problem for everyone in the world. Anyway, so when you buy a GoPro Hero 8 or even 9, don't do the same mistake I did as buying a spare battery. So I don't know how much is the cost of a spare battery for you, but definitely is not cheap. So I have a suggestion because I have a problem. Each battery actually can handle only about 15 minutes of video in GoPro. So it means if you are going out from morning till evening, you need to take a video for 4 to 5 hours for your trip or vlogging, or you are in the nature, wherever you are, even on the bicycle. So the main problem is you need to take 4 to 5 battery with you, which is costly. Second thing is, in case if you have 1 or 2 battery only, you have to stop here and there to charge your battery with the power bank, or even any shops like coffee shops or restaurants to charge your battery. But I found a very simple trick to use power bank with my GoPro directly. First thing you need is to change the battery lead from this type to the one with the direct connection of the cable, the charging cable. So you need to have to buy these kind of things. I think this one I purchased it less than $10 if I'm not wrong. This one from Ulanzi. You can find the better ones here and there. And then you just connect it to your GoPro. You just replace the lead from the original one. First of all, I have to say this one is not waterproof, definitely, but you can buy a very expensive one to make it watertight, or buy a all-weather type case or cage, which they have a waterproof sealing on the side for the battery lead, which you can actually plug in your cable without being worried about the rain or moisture or snow. So when you have this one, then you can connect your cable and then connect it to your power bank. And turn on your power bank. And it will start to charging. So same time actually you can do videography. One of the main problem for this kind of setting is your battery hang around and is not nice. So I had a 2 different type of option for myself. One of them I use this pouch, which I can put my power bank inside, and then I close it. And then I can just use the carabiner to just hang it to this kind of screws here. You have it in your attachment, or just directly to your tripod. Or another option is actually using a phone holder with the GoPro attachment. This kind of attachment for phone holder, which you can connect to that one. You can just put the battery there and just connect it and let it just attach beside your GoPro, and it's easy. You don't need to be worried about it is hanging around. Another option is actually using cage or any type of cage mount for your GoPro. It has a place at the side which is open for your cable, and beside that you can use this kind of they call it cold shoe connection if I'm not wrong. So you can just connect it there, and then with that phone holder, which is something similar to this, which you saw in the video, you just connect your battery there, or just put it down to avoid any being too bulky or heavy. Something funny actually and very interesting and useful I found in the market. When I purchased my shoulder strap mount for GoPro, it came with this attachment, which is double attachment actually. So it means I can connect when I put it here. They said you can connect your stand, your hand grip here, and then anytime you can just easily just take it out and just take your video here and there, and then after finish you can just connect it to your shoulder strap. But one of the best thing I can do with this, when it's connected here, I can connect my GoPro in top here, like this, in other side, like this, and then in the bottom I can connect my battery, which is pretty useful and it looks nice. Beside that, you don't need to buy a extra battery for your GoPro. And I'm sure in every house you have a different size of power bank. It depends on you. You can find a small one, even you can find those kind of the battery holder for rechargeable batteries, 18650, 18650, that one, which you can charge it easily at home and just put it on the box holder, and it has a USB. You can just connect it and use it. I mean, you can use few battery in your pocket. They are very small and slim, quite minimalist. You can connect it easily, or you can use even the bigger power bank, which this one I think is 13,000 fast charging. So I use it last time for my phone before I bought of my, crazy big phone. I use this one. So easily I can just use it here, and yes. So same time you can just connect it. So I'm sure in your house you have a power bank. This one is 5,000 milliamp hour. This one is 13,000. So 13,000 means 13 or 12 hour. 5,000 means 4 to 5 hour. And then also about 1 hour you have battery inside. That's fine. The worst case, you can just remove the battery, just directly connect your power bank. It's a quite simple trick, but maybe it's useful for you. You don't need to buy battery and do the same mistake I did. One of the nice thing I usually use, I use my light in here in my cold shoe mount. And because here beside my light, actually I have a connection for another cold shoe. I can connect it here. So I can have a power bank which can same time power my light and my GoPro as well, which is useful. It looks bulky, but if you want to use your GoPro for more than 2-3 hours continuously, imagine you want to record a time lapse, or so it's quite useful. Imagine you just put your GoPro from midnight or from 2-3 a.m. to get the sunset time lapse. You need a battery. So this one really can help a lot. I mean, you don't need light, but you can just use those kind of modification with power bank. I hope it's useful for you. Take care of yourself. Have a great holidays. See you soon. Bye.